Alright, if you haven't seen Moon Knight Episode 1, there will be spoilers ahead. I know I say this every time when a new MCU show comes out, but I really mean this with Moon Knight. It is my favorite and it is the best. I know that's a lot to say with the first episode, but when they said that Moon Knight was unlike anything else we've seen in the MCU, they really meant that. It has this crazy, chaotic sense where sometimes it's hard to follow, but I mean that in the best way possible. It's generally great just seeing the MCU finally dive into the supernatural and take it seriously. I was worried that Khonshu would be somewhat of a Venom type character, somebody for comic relief. But it's great to see them take him seriously as a god. Oscar Isaac is already phenomenal in the first episode, showing us all these different characters. The first episode, you can already establish a sense of knowing the different identities and personalities. Although we've only had one episode with him, Stephen Grant is now one of my favorite MCU characters. Just seeing how he's a generally nice and sweet guy that's just trying to live his life and he gets swept up into all this craziness makes you feel bad for him. I was already sure that he would be a great villain from the trailers, but opening this episode with him filling his shoes with glass when he woke up in the morning? Nah, that's a menace right there. The biggest mystery I'm leaving this episode with is what happened to Gus. Why does he all of a sudden have two fins? Is this a supernatural occurrence? Is this a variant? Or did Mark Spector accidentally do something and he had to replace the goldfish? And that bathroom scene at the end of the episode is easily one of the coldest scenes we've ever had in the MCU. It just gave me chills. It's great to see the MCU finally give us a darker toned story, which is something I've been wanting to see since I saw Daredevil on Netflix. It's been a long time coming.